Oh, Ketchikan. A nice sunny day out here. We are docked at port and ready to go down soon. Yeah, there is a boat. We'll go down at 7:30. It's about 6:30 right now. Or 7. People are already going down. So...
Hello and welcome to Momsy and Boys YouTube channel. We are on our final port stop in Alaska as part of our 7 days Alaska cruise on board NCL Encore. So come along with us as we explore Ketchikan and stay tuned until the end to see what went wrong on this trip. It might save you from being stranded on your next cruise.
Walking to the shuttle. Welcome to the meal at Ward Cove.
NCL Encore docks at Ward Cove, which is about 20 minutes away from downtown. As you disembark the ship, you will pass by the mill, a warehouse full of souvenirs. At the back is where all the shuttles that will take you downtown and excursion buses if you booked through the cruise line.
Family up there. Yeah, kids corner. Some jackets, some blankets of Alaska. That's nice. I like that one. Ooh, some whales. Maybe we can buy one of those souvenirs.
Here's a quick map of Ketchikan. You can pause the video to scan the QR code.
Those are tours over there that are going on. The city shuttle's right here, you got it. Good morning, guys.
Good morning. To the downtown shuttle.
This one right here, 22. How you doing, ma'am?
Hi, how are you? Yeah. Yeah, you have a footrest. That's right.
I should have put it downstairs.
After a 20 minutes bus ride, we made it to downtown Ketchikan. We still have to walk about 15 minutes to get to our first stop, the Creek Street. If you will be cruising with other cruise line like Holland America or Princess, you will be docking right in the middle of downtown, which is more convenient and does not take away the short time you have to explore the city.
We're at downtown Ketchikan.
That's a little boat. That's an ugly boat, though. Why is an ugly boat?
Yeah. So downtown, Creek Street, Stedman, Tunnel, Waterfront to the right side. Yeah, it's this way, baby. Hey, we found a Filipino restaurant with a Philippine flag. We're home. Holland America is here. Here's the tunnel. We're heading to Creek Street, so we're gonna go that way. Creek Street this way. Ooh, there's a nice place here. I know. There's a whale bench.
This is the Chief Johnson Totem Pole at the entrance of Creek Street. It tells the legend of Fog Woman and the creation of the salmon.
And here we are at the Creek Street.
Creek Street is a historic boardwalk. It is once known as the Red Light District, where both men and salmon swam upstream to spawn. It is now a place for Dolly's House Museum, shops that are locally owned, and galleries. In the summer months, salmon gather by the thousands to spawn upstream. We came the first week of June, and there were no salmon to be seen. This is the Cape Fox Hill Creek Street funicular. It is permanently closed as far as I know, but it used to take you up the lodge, or you can walk the Married Man's Trail to go up. These are the colorful houses you see on postcards, the most photographed part of the Creek Street. A friendly reminder to be respectful when visiting Creek Street. Some of the houses are the home for many years of the local people in Ketchikan.
Plants that grows here. out of fern because fern is like moist.
A little trivia about Alaska's state flower, the alpine forget-me-not, which has been the official flower since 1917. The flower was chosen because it symbolizes the state's pioneers who arrived before 1900. It is also thought to represent constancy and perseverance. Before heading to our Lumberjack show reservation, we stopped to get some wild Alaskan smoked salmon crepe, $18 for one, but I must say that it was very delicious. If ever you are in Ketchikan, make sure to stop by Alaska Crepe Company and give it a try.
Is up for us.
After a great fun show, we headed to Ketchikan Grab and Go for some Alaskan red king crab. Alaska Fish Company, which is next door, had a very long line, so we decided to give this a try. We were not disappointed at all. We ordered some fish and chips halibut and a jumbo leg red king crab. The crab was fresh, juicy, and delicious. It was definitely worth a try before leaving Alaska.
Wow, man.
Did Caleb try it? Not yet.
You want to try, Caleb?
Yeah, let me go.
Oh, water. Water?
Give me a show.
Hold on, baby. Gotta get all the meat out there. Okay, here. Throw the shell out there. Caleb, show me how you eat crab. Eat your crab. Eat your crab. How you eat crab. Not French fries. Not French fries.
This is the grueling part getting back to Ward Cove. The last shuttle to take you back to the ship is at 11 a.m., and the call time for the ship is 12:45. We were not worried to be left behind by the cruise ship because all these people are NCL passengers. It was just sad that our time was wasted waiting in line to get into the shuttle. We didn't get the chance to shop at the mill because by the time we got to Ward Cove, we only had 10 minutes left before the call time of 12:45 p.m. It was a very disappointing end to our time here in Ketchikan.
Look at all those jellyfishes.
Let me see if you can get it.
Well, you can. You can see right there.
Actually, let me see. Let me see.
We finally made it to one of the shuttles to take us back to Ward Cove. We didn't get left behind after all.
Room for dinner tonight. Trying this out. Water? Oh, we don't have water yet, huh?
For appetizers, we ordered Italian meatballs, Caesar salad to share, and bruschetta. For the main course, we ordered shrimp Alfredo for the kids, but one of the boys was so tired he slept throughout dinner. Grilled New York steak, which was cooked perfectly, chicken and seafood paella, all were delicious.
Time for dessert.
To complete our amazing dinner, we ordered eclairs and Snicker pound cake.
Yummy? Yummy, huh? That's my dessert. Give daddy some. Taste. Caleb, give some daddy.
This is it. We're done with Alaska. Ketchikan. There's a cross right there. Beautiful day in Ketchikan. Sunny. Wish we could have stayed more.
This completes all of our Alaska's port stop in this 7 days cruise via NCL Encore. The saddest part of our entire trip is knowing that our vacation is nearing its end. We have one more port stop in Victoria, British Columbia before we head back to Seattle. We hope that you enjoyed watching the series vlogs of our Alaska cruise. If you missed it, we have it on a playlist under Alaska Cruise 2024. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to help the channel. Your support goes a long way in helping our channel grow. Happy watching, and we will see you on our next video.